Hey, welcome back. I am harvesting some amaranth seeds, which is really kind of fun. You just let the amaranth go for a while, and then you come along and you kind of go through the blooms and just sort of winnow them with your fingers, I guess you'd say. Probably the right term. I've got a half of a calabash gourd from the calabash tree, which is kind of cool. Look at this. See, this is not the seeds. We've got beetles in here and all kinds of stuff, but watch this. You see the little, all right, baby, I hear you. You see the little black seeds in here? That's the actual amaranth seeds. This variety is a black-seeded amaranth, so it's actually really easy to pick the seeds out. You figure out what they are, but I need some sort of a piece of window screening or something like that to send them through. Look at that. They're really pretty. Amaranth is one of those really nice greens that takes very little work. It's in the same family as spinach, so you can eat the leaves, and there are varieties that are grown for the grain, though this is definitely a leaf variety. It looks like sticks right now, but earlier in the season they had great big leaves on them. But as they get older, they just concentrate on making seeds, and you don't get much in the way of greens anymore. And then you harvest the seeds and you plant again. In order to plant this bed, all I had to do was just throw seeds on the ground. I had a handful of seeds and I just went like this and sprinkled them across this bed. Then the rain watered it, and then they came up like crazy, and I just kind of thinned them out a little bit and let them go. And we got plenty of greens out of it. They're much better as a cooked green, I think. I don't really eat them raw. Kind of a little scratchy when you eat them raw, but they're really good as a cooked green, right? And quite tasty, very prolific, and worth growing. So if you haven't tried amaranth, give it a try, and you'll have the fun of seeing it come back again and again and again because it self-seeds like crazy. Good job. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may your thumbs always be green. Do you throw banana peels in the trash? Are your coffee grounds also being thrown in the trash? Do you compost ham? Are you sick and tired of all the rules about composting? Do you wish you could compost in a super easy way? And stop throwing things in a landfill? And stop being a terrible person? Click on the link below and sign up and get my new composting booklet, which shows you how to compost easily and simply with hardly any work at all. It's insane how easy it is because it follows natural principles. Sign up now. Quantities are not limited.